Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of Buzz Cooks, formerly the Single Guy's Guide to Great Cooking. Shorter name, but still the same great cooking, easy to follow recipes. Today we're doing Aglio e Olio from one of my favorite movies, Chef. Great movie and an outstanding pasta dish. Simple to make, very few ingredients. So let's get started. We're going to need about 2 cups of chopped up flat leaf Italian parsley, garlic, pasta. I use bucatini. You can use regular spaghetti. Red pepper flake. So we're going to take our pot, fill it with water, get the boil going on, add a lot of salt so our pasta is flavored. Then we'll take our frying pan and make sure the whole bottom of that frying pan is coated with good olive oil. A lot of olive oil in this dish. It's delicious. Alright, once we bring that up to a little bit of heat, we're going to add our garlic cloves. I use the paste. If you don't have the paste and you use regular garlic, make sure you slice it thin, very thin. You don't want this pasta to burn, so keep an eye on it. Alright, we'll add our pasta to our pasta water now that it's boiling. And we'll let that sit for a second before we spin it. And as we spin it, we get it all in the pot. And we're going to boil that to the directions on the package. Now back to our frying pan. Alright, we're going to mix this oil up nice and we'll start to fry the garlic. And don't let that garlic go brown on you. You want to keep it at a medium to low heat. Then we're going to add our red pepper flakes, about 1 good tablespoon, and get those cooking nice. And then we're going to add 2 ladles of the pasta water and let that simmer for a bit. Now we're going to add the 2 cups of the parsley that we had chopped up. Mix that in nice. And once we have that mixed up, we're going to add our pasta straight into the dish. No need to run it to a strainer. Just straight out of the pot. That extra water is fine. It's going to help make a nice creamy sauce. And we're going to get all that pasta in there, and we're going to stir it up and coat it really well. And once we have it nice, everything coated, we're going to plate. And we get it plated up, serve, and it is delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the new name. Give this dish a shot. You're going to love it, I'm telling you. It's amazing. Alright, remember, like, share, and subscribe, and come back soon. Have a great day. Thank you.